Hi, this is Dr. Brian Burton. I'm doing a little research project. I've got IRB approval, so if that's a concern of yours, we're good. It's exempted. I am looking at what people prefer for online tutorials or online teaching. Do you prefer a live human or an avatar? What type of avatar? Specifically, I'm interested in the avatar portion of it. So I've created avatars, and they're going to all present the exact same material for this course, based upon what people choose to view, like, comment on, will be the results of this research. It's a simple project. It's meant to get things ready for a much larger project that I have in the works, but we need to start someplace. Select from the avatars, links are down below, and tell me what you think. Comment, like, subscribe, based upon which one that you like to view. I'm going to put each one in their own playlist so that you can see what's happening. But I want to know which is your preferred avatar for presenting technical or tutorial type information. So please give me your feedback down below. If you'd like to see a different type of avatar, we can do racial adjustments, we can do gender adjustments, we can do aliens, we can do flying dragons. I would like to know, what would you like to see for presenting this information? The course is an introduction to Python. Just getting started with scripting. It assumes no background in programming so that you can have something new to look at this with. So give me your feedback. I'm very interested to see where this goes, and I look forward to seeing what we are able to accomplish. Thank you.